Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can add environment variable to your Spring Boot project in IntelliJ. Also how to use the variable in your application.yml file or property file. So first of all, open IntelliJ and click on the application.yml file. If your own is not .yml file, if it's .properties file, open it, and I basically have some Spring property here that I want to set, and I want to set the data source URL, also the username and the password using the environment variable that I'm going to set. So for now, let me just comment at the server port. So let's just go with the data source only. Now let's set the variable that we are going to configure later. So I want to set the variable using the $sign and the curly bracket. Now let's go to our top menu bar and you click to see more option. Click on this link to see more option and click on edit property. So in this panel you are going to see modify option. Click on modify option and toggle on the environment variable. So we want to click this icon to set the environment variable. Click on add to add a variable, and we are going to set all the variable. So we have JDBC database, URL, and the value. Let me copy paste. So let me just set it by default JDBC. This is the driver and running on localhost, and the port, also the database. Add another variable J, my password, and the last one username. So click on OK, and the environment variable will be added, and click on apply and click on OK and close. So let's try and run this program. Let's see if it's going to work. So my application is running very fine. There's no error. So thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.